so many great people honored in history, just like the crossing of the Potomac by George Washington and the two lights, one if by day and two if by land and two if by sea, all these things. These are commemorated. You see, the landing of the troops in certain, already people are forgetting. And they have significance in one nation and one place. But don't think that Srila Prabhupada setting foot in America has only significance to the Americans. But rather this has had significance and has significance to everyone throughout the whole world. In Europe, in Africa, in Australia, in South America, in North America, in India, Asia, everywhere. You see, Prabhupada has started the avalanche. Have you ever seen an avalanche? An avalanche starts in a small way. Sometimes one little bit of snow or dirt will just start to roll. And as it's rolling, it hits other pieces. And they also start to move. And the subsequent movement becomes bigger and bigger. And from a small particle to hundreds of particles to thousands of particles to a few tons of material, it starts to roll and gain momentum. In this way, as the avalanche gains its speed, then finally the whole mountain crashes down in a huge landslide. Jai Sisi Rukmini Dwarkadish. So in the same way, Srila Prabhupada has started the flood of love of Godhead. He has started and he is nurturing, he is nourishing. Simply we are pebbles. We are insignificant particles of dust, simply taking part in this massive landslide which will completely free all the loose particles from the fixed up position in this material world down into the ocean of bliss, the ocean of transcendental love of Godhead waiting below, avalanche into the sea of Krishna consciousness. So this is a very historic day, today and tomorrow. We should remind ourselves and commit ourselves to dedicate to the lotus feet of Guru and Gauranga, following in the footsteps of Srila Prabhupada, to spread this message which he has brought with such care and affection and compassion, so that everyone can benefit. That is the service we can do to offer to Srila Prabhupada. Thank you.